Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing this CMF phone by Nothing. So let me quickly unbox it. Indian SIM card only. During setup, you have to first insert an Indian SIM card. Unboxing experience is quite simple. We have a device and in the box we get a Type C to Type C cable, as you can see, and nothing else, just a SIM ejector pin and a warranty and a user manual. No charging brick in the box. And this is how the boot animation looks like. This is not the first boot. I have already booted up and set up this phone, and I have been using it for more than a week or so. Ever since that first boot, I've fallen in love with it, and I'm loving each and everything about it, from software to hardware to everything is just flawless. At least for now, everything is working fine and smoothly until and unless nothing. This is a new company and they push some kind of an OT update and fuck everything up. Until then, everything will be fine. Nowadays, companies are notorious for doing such things. Such kind of malpractices are very common in tech industries nowadays. A very important point: if you have already bought this phone or you are planning to buy this phone, they have enabled RAM boost by default, and RAM boost is a fucked up technology which is not supposed to be used with mobile, as this has a flash memory and it has a limited read and write cycle, and it will wear out your flash memory and it will eventually kill your smartphone. Your smartphone will die an early death. So if you don't turn it off, well, if you don't turn that shit off, your phone will be fucked within 2 or 3 years from now, because they have turned on RAM boost or swapping by default. Not just Nothing phone or CMF phone. Nowadays, each and every manufacturer is doing the same shit. And point number two, which is a critical flaw, is that this phone, even though it's 5G phone, it doesn't comes with a millimeter wave 5G or ultra high frequency 5G. So you're just limited to sub 6 or low frequency 5G. High frequency 5G or ultra wideband 5G is just supported with ultra series of Samsung phones and Apple phones. So even though if you are using true 5G from Geo, you won't be getting true 5G from any operator, because cheap phones such as this one and any other phone other than S24 Ultra or Ultra series of their those ultra expensive smartphones don't have a compatible or a real 5G radio inside. Other than that, this phone doesn't comes with a headphone jack. For the privilege of using a wired headphone or a in-ear monitor, I had to spend extra 450 rupees for that adapter from OnePlus. Type C to 3.5mm jack. Here's a speaker test. This is the low light photo, and there will be no video sample in this video, because after this video each and every video will be shot from this phone itself. So, and as always, thank you for watching.